I already know how this gonna go.
You know what the fuck it is, nigga? Yeah, bitch, you gon' feel that fucking glizzy. Yeah, bitch, you gon' get down and lay down, nigga. Whole lot of D1 living in this bitch. You hear me?
AG boat.
Killer right there.
Go to war week to the smoke up
Hey,
in the
what
city.
the
We in the
fuck?
strike, me and bro, two glocks in
DJs.
here, bitch, that's a six. Fell in that back, he ain't gon' fight, but in that world, that
Why
bitch
don't
want
you?
this. My nigga set him on his pockets, that's a six. Fell in
I ain't know
Let's
you
go
the
to war
pain.
week to the smoke up in the city. We in the strike, me and bro, two glocks in here, bitch, that's a six. Fell in that back, he ain't gon' fight, but in that world, that bitch want this. My nigga set him on his pockets, guess he had to feel that glizzy. Niggas won't play, but they don't know behind my bro, bitch, we shut the parish down. Ain't nothing to beat a
What you
nigga
talking about?
block, you up and drop a
Hold on.
lot. Catch a
Hold on. I don't know what parish he's shutting down. Nigga, that's the sickest. That's the sickest work.
Oh man,
Shit, bitch, we gon' pin it
God,
to the
it's
ground.
crazy.
Take them niggas to the circus, we just zipped another clown. Tell her off to
Nigga
come
said that's the
outside because we
sickest work.
purr. We all got tennis, bitch, smoked out. I'm asking, bro, bitch, why you swear? We spot
That man
out
in
up in the
jail.
left lane, bitch, you know it's closed curve. Them niggas bucking on the gram,
I'm
I'm
trying to
tryna
open that
get it
man
on in
case.
person. You know it's closed curve. Them niggas bucking on the gram, I'm tryna get it on in person. Freelance stepper and they need to let the J from out that bag. Might fuck around and break my legs.
J out that
How
back.
fast I'm running to them racks. Oh boy, he gas, but I think 223
Nigga,
might
you
be my
don't know
favorite
this
thing.
nigga. Stop.
We catch him, we
Bro,
gon'
pause
put
it.
him on his
Pause it.
back.
Pause it. Pause it. Yeah, talking too fucking much. And how y'all feel about the song?
Fuck you.
Bitch.
Thought I told you niggas one behind my bro, this shit get easy.
God.
What's going ain't nothing to make a nigga meet the reaper. We in the party, I ain't tripping. KTA, he got that heater. Get up close and hit his face, bitch, we call that a
I ain't gonna lie, this nigga suck, Calvin. I don't know where he found it from, but nigga suck.
That's cool. That's why they got beef anyway.
Yeah, this nigga is not good at all. Devontae, what you think about this song?
Good luck, cuz. I don't know. You asking me, cuz. Why you asking Nate, cuz, bro.
What the
Feel
fuck is
that
AG
glizzy.
boat?
You serious, gang?
Put on Flexer.
No. Please, cuz we had enough with you, gang.
Which I don't even. I'm not even gonna ask y'all what y'all think. This nigga suck.